Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the save files because deleting the wrong thing breaks progress irreversibly. On Windows, open File Explorer and paste %appdata%\Undertale. On Mac, open Finder and go to ~library/application support/com. Tabafox. Undertale. Once there, make sure to back up any files you might want later by copying them to a separate folder or USB drive. This preserves your options. After backing up, identify the key files. File 0, File 9, Undertale. With the game closed, proceed to delete only the files tied to save slots. This ensures no file locks or corruption. Select File 0 to clear the first slot, File 9 for alternate data and player folders for character info. Use rename to test first, appending. Back. Once done, empty recycle bin or trash to finalize deletion. If you prefer restoring, copy backed up files back into the same folder with original names. This approach controls what resets and what remains intact. Now launch the game to verify the deletion worked. You should see new game options or emptied slots. If Undertale crashes or behaves oddly, immediately restore your backups and check file permissions. Incorrect access often blocks saves. On Windows, right-click the file, choose Properties and set security to grant your user full control. On Mac, use Get Info and adjust permissions. Once fixed, rerun deletion carefully, testing by renaming first. This prevents permanent loss and resolves common errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.